Yeah, Madam Pekle is right here, and we just left the office, heading straight to PrimeRose Court, okay, for inspection. All right, don't forget that PrimeRose Court is a service estate with a lot of goodies in it, including perimeter fencing, swimming pool, recreational center, and so many other good things you can find in estates. All right, golf estate, the land work for where it do. They hear me, so Madam Pekle day here, and the number to always call to get your own estate, inside estate for inside Banana Island. You get that part? It's 0903429651. On the screen of this video, you're going to be seeing the number. Pick that phone right away and dial the number. I'm waiting for you. See you at the site, okay? Bye.